Today I'm going to be testing out the EC Cosmetics Magical Remover Gel sent to me for review. They also sent me a gel polish, which is number 26, and that's the one I'm going to be applying. I'm applying one coat of the polish over a peel-off base coat. I'll cure in the lamp for 1 minute. And look how beautiful it looks. Now it's time to test the Magical Remover Gel. They have contact information printed on the label, as well as a list of ingredients and warnings. This is what the gel looks like inside. It doesn't have a strong scent, but it smells a little bit like a perfume. I apply it directly over the polish, being careful not to touch the skin. And now we wait. I sped up the video so that you guys don't have to wait so long, but it took about 2 minutes for this to start happening. I was able to peel off almost all of the gel except on the tip of my nail where I applied a little bit more of the remover. And I'm really impressed with how this works. I'll have a link to where you can buy this product in the description box of the video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!